In this video, you'll learn how to build autonomous workflows on Moltbook. This process enables you to automate tasks efficiently, streamlining your workflow for better productivity. Start by navigating to the OpenClaw control interface. Once you are there, ensure that you are logged into your account. If prompted for authentication, enter your credentials to access the main dashboard. Next, locate the option labeled Highlight on the interface. This is typically found in the main menu. Click on it to proceed. You will notice a loading animation briefly as the system processes your request. After that, look for the button that says Build Autonomous Workflows on Moltbook. Click on this button to open the workflow creation interface. The screen will change, displaying various options for configuring your workflows. Once you see the workflow options, click on the Send button. This action will initiate the setup for your autonomous workflow. A confirmation message may appear indicating that the system is ready to proceed. Following this, you will see a message indicating that you have successfully added autonomous workflows for Moltbook. Look for the confirmation labeled Built and click on it to finalize your setup. Now you will need to click on the section that instructs you to say push, followed by the phrase, I'll push this now. This step is crucial as it prepares the system to accept your command. After that, type in the word push into the designated input field. Make sure you enter it exactly as instructed to ensure the system recognizes your command. The input box should visually confirm your entry. Next, click on the Send button again to dispatch your command. The interface will briefly show a processing animation as it completes this action. Finally, look for the option labeled Pushed and click on it. This confirms that your command has been executed successfully and you should see a notification confirming the action. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.